Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can use eraser tool in Photoshop. So let's open Photoshop and show you guys. So in Photoshop you will find the eraser tool on the left side panel in here, and there are like different kind of eraser tool that you can use. So the basic eraser tool, what it does is it replaces the background or the portion where you are using it with the background color, which you can like change from here. So now when I'm using the eraser tool in here, it is like erasing it with this background color. So let me undo that, and here you will find the background eraser tool, with which you can like remove the background and make it transparent, as you can see here. And also there is the magic eraser tool, with which you can like remove background more faster, as you can see here, but you have to be careful with it, as it can also sometimes remove the background of the subject, as you can see here. So you can like erase backgrounds like this and like faster with this, and also you can use lasso tools and other tools to remove background, but background eraser tool will be useful for like removing parts which are like hard to like delete. For example, this part here, as you can see, there are some parts in here which are not being removed, and even if you like use refine edge and some other tools, there could be some parts which are like hard to delete. So for those parts you can use eraser tool and replace the eraser tool size from here above according to your needs, and you can use this tool to remove those portions. So that's how you like basically use can use eraser tool to do stuffs in Photoshop. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.